So hey awesome ones, today I have 5 outfits for you and they're kind of made to help you look chic this summer. Now although they kind of look like they're expensive, I know you can do them on a budget, and stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to have some bonus tips for you, and I'm also going to have some outside photos on kind of variations of these outfits. So I got 5 to do. Let's go. So let's start off with a kind of classic, almost nautical look, and you don't even need a boat to pull this one off. Now a blue shirt, pinstriped or not, is a classic look, especially when they're paired with a stretchy pair of white pants. Now I prefer wearing these pants to capris, or remember when they used to call them pedal pushers, because they don't cut me off at the thickest part of my calf. And really, if you're wearing a longer pant, it's not that much warmer to wear in the summer. So I'm also wearing the classic white sneaker with a tote bag, and my blue sunglasses finish this classic look. So that shirt that I was showing you, I grabbed this one out of my closet, and it was from H&M. I bought it about a year ago. It was $29. And those pants that I showed, well, they're my favorite go-to white pants now for summer. They're pull-on, they're stretchy, and I just bought them like a few months ago from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have links underneath the description for you, and I'm going to find the exact or similar outfits or pieces, I guess I should say, to each of them. Now for my next outfit, I wanted to show you something, you know, that would be from a work day to maybe, you know, going out on a date or some kind of event afterwards. And I know a lot of you still want to wear black, so I'm going to show that to you, but please, in the summertime, don't wear all black. For this look, I have a lovely gold colored satin camisole, very lightweight. And I got this from Aritzia for about $68. And I'm also wearing a simple black pencil skirt. Now it's really quite flattering, and it's a longer length, so that's nice too. And I know, you're probably like me, you don't want to show off your upper arms, so I'm simply wearing a lace sweater draped over my shoulders, and I have a simple black purse with a gold chain. Now, I also matched my simple gold dainty jewelry to the purse chain. And you also want to make sure that you have the same kind of hardware going on. So if you're wearing gold necklaces and maybe a gold bangle, what you want to do is make sure that the purse isn't silver or some other kind of metal. Also note the sandals that I'm wearing here. They're almost a flesh tone, so they give my legs a little bit of a longer look. And I also topped it off with some stylish sunglasses, and I've got a look that looks expensive. Now, with regards to the last outfit that I showed you, if you want to wear a little black dress, and that's of course all black, go right ahead. I'm talking about putting together suits and that sort of thing. And for my next outfit, well, I gotta tell you, I'm not going to be wearing the skinny jeans this summer, and probably not even into the fall. They're on their way out, and I know, like, how many pairs do I have in my closet? How many pairs do you have in your closet? But they're not going to work if you want to do a kind of classy, elegant type of look. So I've maybe done a stretch here, but I want to show you a different kind of pant that I think it just looks a little bit more elegant. It looks a little bit more on trend for the summer. So here I have the wide leg. It's kind of a gaucho pant, but if you're wearing this, you're looking like you're a little bit more trendy and that you have the money to be kind of a fashionista. You can find these pants almost anywhere, and you can certainly find them on a budget. Now, adding a trending style to your wardrobe and to your looks in the summer, it really, really helps to sort of bring the whole look up a little bit, and you certainly do look more chic. Now also what I have out here, it's a classic black and white look with a white camisole. And this shirt that I'm wearing is actually a beach cover-up from Amazon. It's about $25. It's super sheer, so I'll stay nice and cool. Also a pair of strappy sandals, black sunglasses, and this straw hat from H&M. I think it was about $20. And this straw purse from Amazon at around $30. It really helps complete this fashionable summer look. And hey, if you're thinking to yourself, I kind of like these videos, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. And for all of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. Oh, by the way, you know what? We have a great group of women here. And hey, we're all on this awesome aging journey together, and we really want to do it in style, right? Anyway, if there's a go-to outfit that you really like and that you think really, you know, is kind of classy, kind of chic, please include it in the comments and share it all with us. We'd really like to hear about that. So my next outfit that I have for you is a little dressier. Well, it's actually a dress. So let's take a look. Now this is a super comfy dress, and I think it just looks so elegant and so chic. And I love how the cap sleeves, they kind of hide my upper arms, and the ruching, well, that hides my tummy. I got this dress from Amazon, and it comes in lots of different colors and even other patterns, and it's around $40. Also, notice again how my simple jewelry and watch, it's not clunky. It's not to take away from the chic kind of sleek look that I'm wearing with this dress. And I had these shoes in my closet, and I also thought this needed, again, a simple black and gold purse. That's all it needed. Now I could put on my sunglasses, but I really wanted to make an entrance with this, so I just thought I'd show you how I'd wear my big brim hat and think that I'm going to a garden party or a day at the races. And you know what? I think that I'm kind of channeling Pretty Woman. So I know in this video I talked about sort of I got this from my closet, I got these shoes from my closet, and you know, it's a great idea to shop your closet before going off shopping, because a lot of the time we have some staple items that we can use there. And the bonus tip that I'm going to talk about in just a few minutes is all about really kind of caring for your clothes and some other tips, you know, on making an outfit look a little bit more elegant. But let's get to our next outfit, and this one has a little bit of a Parisian flair. So you can't go wrong with a little Parisian flair to look chic and classy. I paired this classic striped top with a white stretchy pencil skirt, and I just got this from Amazon for about $25. And then I just topped it off with a pink blazer. Now, if you want a really polished look, a blazer in any color works. And don't forget, like if you're going to an evening function, those summer nights, they can really get cold. This classic rose gold purse with a gold chain adds also a little bit of a touch of class, and the light pinkish shoes, again, they really help to elongate my legs because they're almost kind of skin colored. Now let's talk about a few bonus points, and right after I finish the bonus points, I'm going to have some variations of these outfits, and I'm going to shoot them outside, and even Little Hurricane will be in one of those shots, so I'm looking forward to showing those to you. But bonus tips. Well, first of all, if you're going to wear summertime clothes, you know a lot of times they're a little bit more slinky, so make sure that you've got a good fitting bra. That's so important, and if it's been a while, I would suggest that you do get fitted for a bra. Also, if you're wearing kind of a slinky dress like this blue one that I showed, make sure that what I like to wear are like higher briefs, so I don't have that kind of panty line at the back, so that's another suggestion for you. And also, we're going to be wearing a lot of white probably this summer, and so make sure that your whites are white. Like I always wash my whites with the whites, and I also use, this is not sponsored, but something like this OxyClean that I spray around the, you know, the ring around the collar and also underneath the arm. If all that fails and it's still looking a little dull, a lot of times I'll send it off to the dry cleaners and see if they can brighten it up. And if not, I'm just not going to wear it again, because if you want to look classic, chic, and elegant, wearing yellowed and gray looking whites, it's just not going to work for you. So anyway, I think, oh, I also wanted to talk about the jewelry. If you're wearing like feather earrings, or you've got big bangles on your arms, or maybe you've got a whole bunch of beaded sort of bangles, it's just going to distract. It's going to distract from the look. So really try to keep the jewelry dainty. I showed a few of those in the last clips, but let's take a look at some variations of these outfits, and I'm sure you're going to spy Little Hurricane, our Yorkie. And don't forget, you can find dresses with lovely patterns on them. And also, you know, when the weather gets colder, you can wear white after Labor Day. And here's another stylish white and black outfit. And I promised you Hurricane. Here he is. He's sticking out his tongue, but I think he's trying to give you all kisses. So I can't wait to show you more videos, and I'm off to the drugstore where they have a beauty boutique, and what I'm looking for is some nice kind of summertime makeup to share with you. And also, I just ordered a bunch of stuff online. I even ordered a bathing suit, so I think I'm going to show that to you. Hopefully it fits me okay when it comes in. But don't forget to put into the comments, you know, maybe some of the outfits that you liked, something that you'd like to try, maybe that go-to outfit that you want to share with us, you know, your classic, kind of classy go-to outfit, and I'd really like to read those. I read pretty well every single comment that's out there. And also, again, if you're not a subscriber, come on down. We'd love for you to join us. And you know, the thing about the summertime is, well, I've shared this with you. I've gained some weight over the past year, and it's summertime. So what I want to do is I want to get out there. I want to do some walking. I want to breathe fresh air. You know, this is the time to really get moving. So as I said before, we don't have to be runway models out there. You know, by shopping our closet and maybe even picking up a few things, we can feel a little more confident, look a little bit more polished, and also feel a little bit more chic. It's pretty easy to do. And you know, what I think about you, I'm always thinking, you know what, we're on this aging and style journey together. But if we really, really try to be the best versions of ourselves, you know, inside and out, we're going to make our lives a lot more awesome.